Welcome to my soldering tutorial video. In this guide, I will walk you through how to solder an electrical component. Gather necessary tools and materials, which mainly are soldering iron and solder. Also, you can use flux. Flux is a chemical substance used to clean and prepare the surfaces to be soldered. After solder iron is heated up, apply a small amount of solder to the tip of it. This improves heat transfer and solder flow. Then heat the joint evenly by touching both the PCB and the component with the iron. Once the joint is heated, touch the solder wire to the joint, not the iron. Great job! Now remove the soldering iron and let the joint cool naturally. Avoid moving or disturbing the joint until it's completely solidified. Once it's cooled, inspect the joint to ensure it's clean, shiny, and free of any solder bridges or cold solder joints. A good joint should have a smooth, conical shape. Remember to practice caution and follow safety procedures while soldering, such as working in a well-ventilated area and keeping flammable materials away. Let's do it one more time. Heat the joint. Apply just enough solder to form a smooth and shiny joint. Allow it to flow around the PCB and component. Once the solder has flowed and formed a good joint, remove the soldering iron while keeping the joint undisturbed. Allow the joint to cool and solidify naturally.